everyone! Isa na naman pong recipe ang ituturo ko sa inyo, ang Wanton Chinese style. Ito po ang mga ingredients: minced pork, shrimp, chives or kuchay in Tagalog, and preserved Shachai, black fungus, celery leaves, ginger, egg, fry and mince the egg, cutting all the vegetables, mince the Shachai or the preserved vegetable, and then squeeze the water because it's salty. Black fungus, mince also, and the celery, or chives cut into small pieces also, like mince. Beat the egg, fried and mince. Now we mix all the ingredients. Put some soy sauce, pepper, and some sugar. Mix them up and add the grated ginger on it. The minced shrimps, the preserved vegetable, black fungus, the minced celery leaves, and last, the minced egg. Fried already, minced fried egg. Mix them up, mix thoroughly until well combined. So after that, we put some sesame oil, about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix again. And then we put into our chives or kuchay. Mix them together. Show you how to wrap the wonton using the wonton wrapper, very thin one. Put a little, put some water in it, and wrap it up. So just do like this. Until we finish all the show you slowly. Get some peeling, put in the wrapper, wet it out, hold it, and then press a little, and wet, then fold it. So that's it. Our wonton Chinese style. So put in the freezer so that you can keep until 2 to 3 months. If you want to eat, just take some and then cook it. Now let's cook. Boil some water. Put the wonton in. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. Cover it. Then after 2 minutes, open the cover and put some cold water. And boiling again for about 2 minutes more. It's done. Let's take it out. Our wonton Chinese style is yummy and soft. So if you want to try, do like this. Just follow the ingredients. It is yummy. And healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Please check my description box for the list of all the ingredients of this recipe. Thank you.